Hi there, welcome to Smart Quiz Builder. My name is Veena Prashant. I'm the creator of this plugin. Smart Quiz Builder is the world's best quiz and survey plugin for WordPress. Today, I'm so excited to let you know that we have added yet another amazing feature that will allow you to generate all kinds of reports. Whether you want to see all the responses to a specific quiz, or if you want to find out how many people responded a certain way to one of your questions in a quiz, or all responses to a specific question, or you want to find out how many people scored over a certain number in your scoring quiz, or how many people got a certain number of correct answers in your assessment quiz, or say that you have a survey and you send out a survey to your users and you want to find out how many people strongly agreed with something or how many people strongly disagreed with something. You have a rating scale question and you want to find out on a scale of 1 to 5 or 1 to 10 how people have rated you, how many people have given you a rating of 10, how many people have given you a rating of 1. And if you have a scoring quiz with categories, you can even say, get me all the users scored over X in this category or scored over Y in this category. And you want to find out how many people got a specific tag. You can do that too. You can select the tag and you can let SQB know for this quiz, get me a list of all the users that got this tag. So you can use whatever search criteria you need for your quizzes, for your surveys, and with a click of a button, you can export the results into a CSV file. So now let me take you to the backend to show you how easy it is to find all kinds of information about your users, about your prospects with the click of a few buttons. All right, so this is the backend of Smart Quiz Builder. This is the reports page. And here you will find a new search tab. And under the search tab, you can select the quiz. Here, I'm going to select this one. So this is a scoring quiz. And you can see all the options we have here. I want to see all responses. I want to see responses for a specific question. I want to see users that got a specific tag. I want to see all the responses where the score was over a certain number. So let's start with I want to see all responses. So I have selected a scoring quiz and I want to see all the responses and I can select the date range. So I'm going to go ahead and select a date range, and this is just a demo quiz. Go ahead and search. Here you will find all the users and their responses to all the questions you have in this quiz, because here we are looking for all the responses to this quiz. Now say that you want to see responses for a specific question. Then select this option and you will see this drop down now, question title. So you can select the questions you have in your quiz or survey. So say that this is the question and you want to see all the responses for this question. So select the question. And you can also select a specific answer if you want to see how many people picked this answer or how many people picked this answer. You can do that too. Or if you want to find all the responses to this question, then don't select any answer choice. Just hit search here. You will find all the responses to this question. Doesn't matter what the answer choice was, but all the responses to this question. All right, so now say that you want to find out how many people responded to your question in a certain way. Then you can select the answer choice. Say that I want to find out how many people answered it correctly. So this is the correct answer. So I'll select that one and search. Now you will find all the users that responded correctly to that question. So here you can see the selected answer is this one because that was my selection. And you can export results. So now say that you want to find out how many people got a specific tag. And you can do outcome level tags. You can do answer level tags in SQB. And here you can select a specific tag or you can enter a tag value here. And that's it. Go ahead and search. So I don't have any tags here. But if you had assigned tags, then you can hit search and it will find all the users that got that tag. And this option, show responses with score over. So here you can enter numbers. So say that you want to find out everyone that got more than 3 in this scoring quiz. So this is a scoring quiz and there are 5 questions and users can get a max of 5 points. I have assigned 1 point to each correct answer. So if they answer all 5 questions correctly, they will get 5 points. And I want to find out everyone that got over 3, right? 3 points. So I have entered 3 here. So if their score is over 3, it should find all the users that got over 3 in the scoring quiz. Here you will find a list of all the users that scored 5 out of 5 or 4 out of 5 in this selected date range. So now let me show you a scoring quiz with categories. So say that you have a scoring quiz with different categories. You have assigned each question to a different category and you want to find out how people did in a specific category. So here, see this new option will pop up here. If you have a scoring quiz with category, show responses with category score over. So select this one and it will let you select category name. So these are the 3 categories in this quiz. So say that I want to find out in math category, everyone that scored over 2. Right? More than 2. So I'm going to hit search here. And here you will find everyone that got more than 2. So Not only you can find out everyone that scored over a certain number, which is the overall score, but if you want to find out category level score and how many people scored over a certain number in a specific category, you can do that too. It's pretty powerful what we have done here. So now let me show you survey responses. So this is a survey and there are 3 options for a survey. I want to see all the responses to this survey. I want to see responses for a specific question in the survey. I want to see all the users that got a specific tag in this survey. So all responses, same deal. You will find all the responses to all the questions in your survey. But say that you want to find out responses for a specific question, how people responded to a specific question. So select this one. Now you can select the question title. So say that you have a free text question. So you can not only select single choice or multiple choice questions, you can also find responses to a free text question and how people responded to the free text question. So select this one. And this is a free text question where users can type in whatever they want. You can see all the responses are here to the free text question. So say that you send out a survey to your users, you have a rating scale question. You want to find out how many people strongly agreed with something or strongly disagreed with something, then let's do that now. Say that your question is overall quality. How would you rate SQB, rating scale question? And you want to find out how many people gave you a rating of 5. So select the number, and 5 is the best rating and 1 is the lowest rating. And how you want to find out how many people gave it the highest rating, select the number and search. And you will find a list of all the users that gave you a rating of 5. All right, so now say that you have a single choice question, this one. What was your overall impression of SQB when you first used it? And the answer choices are I loved it, I liked it, it was all right, I didn't like it, I hated it, right? So if you want to find out how many people hated it, select that one. Now, if you want to find out how many people loved it, select that one. And SQB will find a list of all the users that responded in a specific way to the question based on the search criteria. So you can look for whatever you want, and then you can export the results to a CSV file, and then you can do whatever you want with it. So as you can see, it's a super powerful feature that will work with all types of quizzes, all types of surveys. So now you can not only collect data from your users, all kinds of feedback from your users, but now you can actually find how people are responding to specific questions in your quiz, or how people have scored in your scoring quiz, or how people have responded to your rating questions in your surveys. You can find all of that information very quickly, very easily, using this very powerful and amazing search feature that we have added in SQB. I hope this was helpful. My name is Veena Prashant. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. This way you'll be the first to know when I publish new videos like this. And also follow me on Twitter, where I post tips on membership, marketing, quizzes, surveys. Thank you so much for making the time to watch this video. I'll be back soon with more. Bye for now.